Sunday race day here at Brainerd for the first event of the year. We got Fat Stacks, he qualified number 2 with a 439, and I qualified like 10th with a 476, which is just unheard of in this class in years past. But everyone's getting down the track, figuring out their stuff. I pulled the little pickle. You've probably seen it run Fat Stacks at the Creek multiple times. Great dude, awesome car, things super fast and consistent. Definitely swung for the fences on this. We're kind of guessing a little bit, but I gotta get him on the tree, otherwise it's over.
Try and catch up. It's not the #1 qualifier. Troy ran a 420. He's the #1 qualifier.
At 200.
Yeah, to 199. Yeah,
wow.
1 mile an hour.
Which is just ridiculous.
So we'll see if we can try to make it rounds with both cars, hopefully, and then play it by ear and round by round, try to get some win lights and see what we can do. But we got first round coming up here. Hopefully both rounds go good and we can get some win lights. Ready to go, first round of elimination. So Cole actually has a bye first round. Godecki was broke.
Why is it not going faster? Still a really good lick though. Felt good. Just made our first hit of the day on Sunday for eliminations. It was dead straight, felt really good. But for some reason it's not picking up the numbers that we think it should be, so we're not sure exactly what's going on with that. Unfortunately, we would have had Brian Godecki, Little Pickle. He had a curb motor and he was just like, it's not worth it. I shredded my motor up last year and I'm just gonna go home, take it apart, which was probably the right move. It would have been a great race if we had lined up against him. He always gets down and he's really fast too. We'll get him again soon. Overall though, I went 019 on the tree, 118 to the 60 foot, 315, and a 476 at 153. So still moving and grooving. We got Chris Gullickson, also a beautiful Chevelle. We'll catch you in a bit.
We have Gullickson. He is a blue Charger. He's been here for a while. We've raced him a couple times. I don't know if we've ever raced him in the orange car. Brian's raced him a couple times, so should be a good race if we can get down. Both cars get down. And Brian's got Eric Hake, and Cole's raced him in the orange car before, so kind of different matchups for each cars. But we know these guys and know we can run, so let's see if we can get it done. Here we go, second round, first pair down the track. We got Brian against Eric Tate. Big wheel staying in the right lane.
What can you do? Gullickson made a great lick. Thing came up fast, so my gosh. Like when it was on the chip, dude, the thing was like nasty. Like the thing was popping and banging, pop. What a weekend for the orange car. Thing just felt like it was more nasty all of a sudden. I don't know. We've been kind of fighting it a little bit all weekend, but thing did a massive power wheelie. Thankfully, I caught it and was able to set the front end down peacefully. Nothing's broke or hurt, so that's a huge win. Gullickson made a phenomenal lick. He went a 451, I think. So even if we got down, I don't think it would have been enough. I went 007 on the tree, 118 60 foot, and then I lifted. Chris made a great run, so props to them. We still got fat stacks in it, and actually we got Chris next round with Dad's cars. We're gonna go back, pull a tune up on that thing, and see if everything's good, and then hopefully we can go out and try to win this race with that car. Overall, great weekend for this thing. It was super fun. Everything's still in one piece, so that's a big positive.
What do you think, Waddle? What do you think?
Beast, man. What are you talking about?
Look at that stuff, dude.
Oh, whoops.
Nice one. Oh, we need a lot in there. That's good, probably. We are pushing up for third round. We got Chris Gullickson, the guy that Cole just ran. This is technically semifinals. There's 3 cars left. It's us, Gullickson, and then Joe Clayson. So last pass, he said it felt a little spicy, got a little loose on the top end, but we're looking good as far as our times go, and hopefully all goes well and we get another championship here.
You can just keep doing your thing. It's been fine.
But just give me a general idea. All right, here we go. Semifinals for 660. with that, baby. Yeah. It was straight here last pass, too. What? No. He was going too fast, I guess. Well,
Knowltons made a killer lick.
you didn't really live up to your shirt today.
What are you talking about? We're in the finals. We're a team.
Oh, now it's a we thing. As soon as you get eliminated, it's an we thing, you know?
I'm always we, baby. I'm just kidding. No, it's been really awesome.
You got Clayson next round.
Yep.
What are the odds you run Clayson in the finals at BIR? We had a little parachute malfunction here. So, good thing we got spare chutes on the car. Ryan's putting a new one on right now. Just got the data log. They're kind of rushing us back up there for the finals. So, yeah, this will be probably our last round here. We got Joe Clayson in the finals, but if I don't see you guys within then, we'll see you in the lanes.
No, it's Jason's supposed to be Jason. No. What, did he lose the flip? Oh, God.
I think you always lose the flip.
What lane are you taking, Joe?
I'll take the left.
They are? Okay. Try it.
Here we go. We ended up in the right lane for this run. This is the finals of OS 660 versus Joe Clayson.
Good job as usual. Nice view from the back. Yeah, thank you.
Walked out there, I was like, yeah, I think the left is a little better. And then after I freaking called them, they started working on it more, and then I walked it, and I'm like, nah, the right's actually better. I'm not even kidding you.
Well, we did it again. Luck was in our favor this time. We weren't the #1 qualifier this weekend, but we obviously came around, made all the good passes that we needed to make, and won the finals against Joe Clayson. What an awesome weekend. Agent Orange obviously didn't get the results that we wanted, getting taken out second round due to Cole having to lift with a wheelie. All around, great weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully maybe some more content coming up here, but not exactly sure what our race schedule's looking like. We'll keep you guys in touch on all our socials at NecksGen Outlaws on all social media. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.
Remember, come up to Cache the Creek.